Weeks passed, then months. Suyin continued to paint after work, on weekends. Whenever the world quieted enough for her to hear her own thoughts. Some days the canvas resisted her, and she'd crumple her work in frustration. Other days, tears welled up without reason. One rainy evening, she stepped out of the office only to be caught in a sudden downpour. She had no umbrella. As she hurried down the street, she collided with someone. She turned and time staggered. It was him. The one she thought she'd left behind in memory alone. "Suyin?" he asked, rain clinging to his eyelashes. For a moment, all she could do was nod.